Do these words scare you? Blockchain, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Do you feel like the one guy in the room who doesn't get it? Don't worry, after this course that won't be you. Welcome to this course, Blockchain and Cryptocurrency Fundamentals. My name is John Colley, and with my fellow instructor Michael Heitz, we are delighted to welcome you to this course.
I have been studying and investing in cryptocurrency since 2016 when Bitcoin was trading at 600 USD.
I've had a 30-year career in investment banking, and I've been making best-selling courses on Udemy since 2013. We have taken the key topics in the blockchain world and pared them right back to the basics, making them easy to understand. Blockchain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, privacy coins, decentralized finance, and much, much more. At the end of this course, you will understand the vocabulary and jargon, but more importantly, how this revolutionary technology ecosystem works and operates together. You will know how to buy, sell, and save cryptocurrencies, although we are neither pitching them or selling them to you. The ideal student for this course is anyone who wants to expand their knowledge about blockchain and cryptocurrencies and how they work, as well as how to get started with cryptocurrencies themselves. It is essential to understand the basics or you will fail with cryptocurrencies. There are no previous requirements to taking this course, and you do not need to understand anything about blockchain or cryptocurrencies to take this course. You no longer have to fear the blockchain monster. When somebody in the office raises a question about it, you will now be the first to offer an answer and an opinion. Don't let it put you off. You can tame the blockchain dragon. Enroll today. Feel free to take a look at the preview lectures, particularly the lecture where we summarize the whole course in under 10 minutes. We have made these preview lectures available for you so that you can discover the value in the course, and we look forward to joining you inside.